Welcome to Math Challenge 571. In Math Challenge 571, we have a rectangle and three semicircles, all are equal in size. Three equal semicircles inside a rectangle, and the diameter of each semicircle is 4 centimeters. Diameter of each semicircle is 4 centimeters, and we have to find the area of the rectangle, and the width of the rectangle is not 12. Do not calculate 4 plus 4 plus 4. It is not 4 plus 4 plus 4 because there will be an overlapping region. You can see the overlapping region. So it will not be 4 plus 4 plus 4. We have to calculate the area of the rectangle. Math Challenge 571. First, since the diameter is 4 centimeters, the radius will be 2 centimeters. So the height of the rectangle is 2 centimeters. Any place, the radius of the semicircle 2 centimeters and height of the rectangle 2 centimeters. The distance between the top and bottom parallel sides of the rectangle 2 centimeters. So the radius and the height of the rectangle 2 centimeters. Now, join the centers of the first and second semicircles. The center of the first semicircle and the center of the second semicircle we are joining. So when we are joining, we are getting a right angle triangle. Right? We are getting a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is radius 2 plus radius 2, that is 4. Radii of the two semicircles 4, and the altitude is the radius of one semicircle, that is 2. So by Pythagoras theorem, base will be square root of 4 square minus 2 square, that is root 12. We are joining the centers of the first two semicircles and we get a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is equal to 2 plus 2 and the altitude is 2. So the base will be square root of 4 square minus 2 square, that is root 12. So this distance you can see marked by red dotted line is root 12 centimeters. Now again join the center of the second semicircle and the center of the third semicircle. We are joining the centers of the second and third semicircle. Once again we get a right angle triangle where the altitude is 2 and the hypotenuse is 4. So again the base will be root 12. So the red dotted line is root 12. The blue dotted line is also root 12. And the first part, this is radius 2, and the last part, this is 2. So the distance joining the two centers, the red dotted line and also the blue dotted line, that will be root 12 or 2 root 3. And the first part, which is the radius, that is 2, and the last part is 2. So the total width we are getting 2 plus root 12 plus root 12 plus 2. Now writing root 12 as 2 root 3, we get 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 2. That is taking out 2 as common. We get 4 into 1 plus 1.732. This root 3 value. 4 bracket 1 plus root 3. Replace root 3 by 1.732. So 4 into 1 plus 1.732, 10.928. So the width is 10.928 and the height, which is the radius, is 2. So multiplying area will be 10.928 into 2, that is 21 into 21.856. 21.856 square centimeters, that's the area. So the width is not 12. The width is 10.9, that is a little less than 11. So don't calculate 4 plus 4 plus 4, it is not 12 because of this overlapping region. So it is slightly less than 12, it is about 11. So multiplying by the height 2, we get 21.856, that is almost 22 square centimeters. That's the area of the rectangle. That was Math Challenge 571. Follow our channel, subscribe to the channel, share and like the videos. And all these services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world. So students from anywhere in the world can contact us. And also remember, we have free online class once a week, absolutely free for students from any part of the globe. So we shall come back again with more interesting videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.